I've listened with great interest to this debate today. I've learned constitutional law, state constitutional law. I've learned some history. Assemblyman McGuckin, a fellow graduate of Seton Hall Law School like myself. We're not the Harvard of New Jersey, we might say. But really, and the debate on the Democratic side of the aisle and the reasons why we have to do this, and my colleagues on this side of the aisle, why it's inappropriate. The people we're forgetting about today, the people that haven't been spoken enough about today, are the residents of this state. This constitutional issue, which is clearly going to be have a major impact, assuming you're correct on the other side and the Supreme Court allows this, but what if they don't? What's plan B? There's a simple way to solve this problem. The people who put us here have the right to decide if they want to bond $10 billion for current revenues. That's the purpose of the constitutional provision in the Constitution of New Jersey. What are we so afraid of that we're so afraid of our own constituents that we won't ask them that question? That solves the constitutional crisis. You can make the very same arguments you're making in this chamber to the public and give them the opportunity to weigh for themselves if they want to borrow $10 billion to cover current spending. You can lay out for them the potential cuts that would be impacted if they don't do it. And let them make an intelligent decision as to whether they want to borrow $10 billion. But no, we're taking that away from them. We're doing it in the middle of the summer on an emergency resolution. Why is that? We've known about this since March. We've had a legal opinion since May, and now it's July 16th, and it's an emergency. This could very easily have been addressed by the residents of the state, but in this case, the majority party does not want to allow them that opportunity, and that's a shame. For this reason alone, I'm voting against this resolution. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.